Yes, someone message model. So Gauri, you have to run that code for the model too. Okay. So guys, did you get your score for your mocks? Who scored the highest one? Second highest? Pages. Guys, just want to confirm with you. Last time, I think we have done the concept of logistic, but not the coding part. Agree? And also, I have shared a code of logistic with you. Yes or no? Log into your drive. किसी को एसी ऑन करना है तो प्लीज ऑन करा दो यार, वो सिर्फ नाम के लिए ऑन है. There's a reason for late, sir.
वो उसको बंद कर सकते वीडियो वीडियो पास करते हैं तो लॉन्ग
Guys, once again, meanwhile, do a small revision for logistic. I will be uploading this code on Drive for you. Okay, I'm just verifying the code one time. Guys, log into your Drive. I will share a file already. Machine learning. Who remove the file? Okay. Done everyone? सर जी और प्लेस है बैठने के लिए? क्लासरूम में प्लेस है? हाँ तो फिर बैठो ना। यहाँ बैठ सकते। यूट्यूब भी पेजेस आप यहाँ बैठो तो फिर आप उनके पीछे ब्लैक जैकेट है उनके पीछे यस Guys, log into your folder of logistic, download this file. Okay. क्या हो गया? कोई बात नहीं, मैंने अपलोड कर दिया. It's done. Done, everyone. Yes. Guys, I've uploaded I've done small changes in the code. Presentation, take the code which I upload now. I'm repeating. I've done a small modification to the code. Download that latest code. Take. Same file, I just replace it. Same name of the file. Okay. Just take a new Python file, which is pynb file. Run the code. Once you're done, just update me. I'll start the explanation. How many of you came late? Lecture timing is what? I'm asking you, what is the lecture timing? Everyone will come by 10:30 tomorrow onwards. If you don't come at 10:30, guys, you will not be allowed to sit in the lecture. Because I need to wait for 10-15 minutes for people to come. 15 minutes you take for coming late. I give you break for 15 minutes. You will extend to 30 minutes. Again, 45 minutes waste. ऐसे मत करो. When you're coming to learn something, learn. You cross-check your level, how much you have in your mocks. Guys, the mocks which I have taken for you all, it's a very simple level. मैंने कोई भी बैच का इतना simple mock नहीं लिया है. I asked you some people business, nobody is able to give the answer also. How many people I asked the question of the business? Implementation of chi-square on Congress Party. Able to give the answer? So you only know theory parts. वो भी आपको कट शॉट पता है, एकदम कट टू कट. क्यों है वो नहीं पता है. You don't know how to utilize the stats or Python or SQL in machine learning, and how to use in business to make revenue. I'll be teaching you until you're keeping utilization of the time now. If you're coming late, guys, suggestion, don't come to the class. You can attend online. Sure. अब तो वो मुझे ब्रेक में दिखा देना. Don't go down in the break. It's a small revision first. Okay? Working on logistic regression. Guys, when to use linear regression? When to find relation between X and Y. What type of data we required for linear regression? Which variable? Which variable has to be numbers? X and Y. Okay. When to use logistic? Correct. Which variable? Category. When Y variable has to be category and X variable. So can I say deciding based on whether it is a regression task or a classification task depends on Y? So whenever a question comes to you from business or interviewer, what is a regression and when to use linear regression, the answer will be this much. Do not speak extra part. Never say both are numerical. You just have to say Y variable is numerical to apply linear regression. Clear? When to go for classification task, when Y variable is category. What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised? I have teach you, know. Open your book. How many people read and come before coming to the lectures? पढ़ के एक बार गो थ्रू करके आते हो. What is the meaning of supervised learning algorithm, guys? मैंने लिखा है, वही प्रिंट करो फिर. Perfect. In supervised learning algorithm, sir, y variable is given. In unsupervised, we do not have y. In supervised, we can have 1x, we can have multiple x also. Okay, there can be possibilities, but in supervised, unsupervised, you'll have only x variable. So the difference occur between y only. So if you remember, deciding regression or classification tasks, y play a critical role. Deciding supervised or unsupervised, again, y play a very important role. So y variable is very much important. Ye clear ho gaya? So always in the industry, guys, there are many people who found difficult to identify y variable. Y is a difficult task for everyone, for me also, when I was a fresher. After getting experience or understanding business, you can easily find out. But initial stage identification of y is very important. That make you think about business. Okay. So working on logistic, as you said, y variable has to be category. X variable, all can be numbers. X can be, all can be category. And X variable, all can be numbers in category. The mixed crowd is also possible. Clear? In this scenario, logistic is possible for us. Akash, अब आगे बैठ. You will always sit on front. हमेशा आगे बैठोगे. लेट भी हो जाएगा जो आगे उसको पीछे भेजना, आपको आगे बैठना. Okay. When I feel like you are in the stage of sitting backward, I'll allow you to sit backward. Guys, do you have done discussion with Utkarsha ma'am for the mock score ka? I get a message in the WhatsApp group na कि discussion होगा. हो गया discussion? ऐसा class के बाद, ठीक है. Now my question for you, in y variable, guys, how many levels we should have? 2 levels, perfect. Which 2 levels? Defaulter and non-defaulter. Can I say binary? Good customer, bad customer, defaulter, non-defaulters. Can we use in a person will buy or not buy? Can we use when we win a match or not win a match? So wherever we have 2 possibilities, okay, and you need to find the chances of winning the possibilities, we use logistic regression. Which distribution is used to find the chances of success? Sub use hote na. When to use when we have 2 possibilities? Binomial. So binomial distribution is used to find the chances of success when we have 2 possibilities. So inside logistic regression at the back end, binomial distribution works for you. Clear? Okay. Now guys, in this we also study something known as odds ratio. I make you write, I think. I have not explained that to you. It is out of your syllabus, guys. I'll teach you later at the last. Okay, first we'll complete the syllabus, then extra part. What is the use of confusion matrix, guys? It's used to check the accuracy. Okay. To make confusion matrix, what we required? Actual versus predicted. What is the notation of actual? Actual means what? Which actual you want? Y, correct. हमें actual मतलब Y चाहिए. And prediction notation is? Guys, these are universal notation. Why I'm writing this? Because tomorrow your business person say, apply CNN with UseNet, a new algorithm invented in 2019. Who will teach you? Nobody will teach you. There are algorithm who invented in 2022. Who will teach you? Professor learned first time only. But your manager say you have to apply. Again, you will do another course? नहीं ना? फिर से course तो नहीं करोगे. What happened? The people who release the formulas, they release the formula in terms of notation. So whenever you search any log or blogs anywhere, they write Y and X. Any reference book, they write Y and X and Y hat. So you should be able to identify मतलब ये prediction है और ये actuals है. Shall I move forward? Guys, last time I explained you a small topic of business, okay, that is out of the syllabus, okay. What is the meaning of sensitivity, guys? Book बंद करना है, बस इतना ही देखना था. Close your book. Book. I'm audible in Hindi?
Yes, sir.
पढ़ लिया? How we calculate accuracy? हाँ, correct. TP plus. Okay, TP plus TN divided by total number of rows. What is specificity? Gayatri? Revision किया था? Rishabh? हाँ. Yes. Thank you. Wrong answer. Wrong है sir, wrong है. मैं क्या करूँ? The customer is good in the actual data, and we also predict as good. That is your specificity. Okay. Middle one, the gun. What is type 1 error? We predict as bad. Guys, who predict? Model. What is model? When we apply the values in equation. ये clear हो गया? Okay. What is type 2 error, Akash? Perfect. तो इन मॉक्स में क्यों नहीं दिया था आंसर? अभी लिंक हो गया ना, उन्होंने गुड को बैड बोला तो फिर बचा ही क्या? ठीक, ऐसे लिंक करोगे तो भी चलेगा. चलिए क्लियर. But guys, before coming to lectures, request you to revise one time. रिवीजन नहीं करना है ना, सिर्फ एक बार देख के आओ कि लिखा क्या है क्लासरूम में. ओके, चलो. What is the equation of logistic regression? ओमा, आपने बुक ओपन किया था ना? हाँ. तेजस, मैडम, आपने रिवीजन नहीं किया? Anyone know what is the equation? Yes, please. Okay. Guys, you need to by heart this. Either you are experienced person or fresher person. If you've seen in the mock, and nobody say to write the formula of variance and something. But when you come to interview for machine learning, they expect to remember only two equations. One is multiple linear regression equation and one is logistic. You have 12 forward algorithms for supervised. Out of 12, we are going to finish 2. How many remains? 10. Nobody will ask you to write the equation for the remaining 10. But this 2 is very important in terms of equation. If you use this equation, guys, what is the output format? What is probability? What is the range of probability? Okay. If I use linear regression, what is the output format? If I use linear regression, okay, percentage. लीनियर रिग्रेशन पे होमवर्क सॉल्व किया है, आज सबमिट करना था ना आकाश, ट्राई किया था आपने? ट्राई किया आपने? ये देखा हमने क्लासरूम में कैसे सॉल्व किया है? आई एम आस्किंग यू। नहीं, ठीक है, आपने देखा सर? फिर देखने के बाद फिर गलत आंसर दे दे। So guys, linear regression give you answer in terms of values, which are number values. They never give you answer in probability, neither in percentage. Till you're clear? I'll come back to the Python now. Here I have written a scenario. Predict whether a customer, okay, customer we call as a layman person, and in bank we call as applicant. When a customer apply for the loan, what is the chance that loan will be rejected? So we need to predict whether a loan is rejected or approved. Can we give loan to bad customer, guys? We can't afford to give it. Can we give loan to good customer? Yes. Can we reject sometime good customer loan also? But can we give loan to bad? No. If you lose good customer, it's okay, but do not give money to bad people, will be directly a loss to the company. So here our objective is to predict, okay, who will be a bad customer. If I from this classroom, if I want to remove the bad people, what is remain? Good people. So can I say I'm just classifying this good and bad? That's the reason logistic comes under the header of classification task. Clear? Okay. What is the use of pandas package, guys? Data analysis and data manipulation. Some people have given the wrong answer for this. Okay. NumPy used for scientific calculations. When you say scientific calculation, it takes numbers, exponential, log, linear, everything comes. What is the use of Seamon? Visualization. What is the use of NumPy? Scientific calculation. What is the use for Matplotlib? Just 1 second. Hello. Shall I? Okay. Guys, there is another package also called Plotly, which is also used for data visualization. So first invention happened for Matplotlib, then happens for Seamon, then way happens for Plotly. So Plotly is the latest package used for visualization. I import the data, guys, which is a bank loan application data. So any person apply for the loan, can I say we get some application ID? If you apply for college admission also, you get some application number. Same way, when you apply for loan, you get loan ID number. Age of a person, gender of a person, whether the customer is married or not, depends or not. Can I say they are responsible to get a loan, guys? Education. Can you give me example? How education will help us to get a loan? Why? Higher the qualification, higher the chance he will be working more salary. If he get more salary, means he will pay the money on time. Okay. Applicant monthly income over here. Okay. Previously taken any loan from any of the banks or not, or from us. CIBIL score, do you know what is this? Okay. Credit score. This score is made by the company called CIBIL only. Bank do not make the score. Bank purchase this score. If I am working for Kotak Mahindra Bank, we send the information of Akash to CIBIL organization. Then CIBIL organization will give me one score and they'll charge me 100 rupees. Okay. Then we have property, areas, system of bandwidth, and you are for how many duration you need a loan. Then the last variable is loan status. If the loan status is yes, yes means your loan is rejected. We can't give you loan. Because our objective is to find bad customer. And no means loan is not rejected. It means approved. Scenario clear? Okay. Now coming to business. If this much information is okay to predict the loan. Think like this way, you are a landlord, you have a money, you have your own bank. If I give my age, gender, married or unmarried, salary information, everything, only this information, can you give me loan? No. Who say no? It's okay, you are on the right path. Why? You will not give me money if I apply. So what do you want me to make sure happy and give me the loan? What do you need more? Guarantor. Okay. Guarantor means what? So you need another person, good one, or I stay on rent. Gold or something. So any collateral. We call any collateral. Means submit either any guarantor information or give any gold or house properties or any details. Anything else? मेरे पास एक घर है जिसकी वैल्यू है 30 लाख. मैंने लोन लिया 1 करोड़ का, चलेगा? The property value is also important. The number of properties is also important. Anything else? That we have no yes or no previous loan taken. Any other what information, guys? That's a location of a person where he stay. Good. Revenue means income, na? ये रही. और क्या आप इसमें पैसे दोगे? सोचो आपके पास लाख रुपया और मुझे इसमें से 90,000 चाहिए. Can you give me the money 90,000? हाँ, वो yes or no लिखा है. Can you get money from any other person by just giving this information? हाँ या ना? और भी डेटा लगेगा ना? हाँ. So the main task for analytical person is not to write the code, is to think which new variable can we take from the customer. The more data we have, the more strong we have. The more data means the more knowledge we know about the customer, we are more confident. Agree? So I have taken few parameters. In industry, guys, you will be getting approximate. Here I have taken how many columns? 15. In industry, you will get 150 columns, 120 columns. Because bank, when they give money, they require a surety how much information I want, I will get it. If you submit all the information, then only banks give you the loan. Otherwise, they never give. Clear? How many number of rows we have? 981. Can I say every customer who apply for the loans are independent? Yeah. Can I say every X is also independent? Clear? Next. Some variable are numbers, some are category. So 9 are integers, Sorry, 6 are integers, 9 are object. Let's cross check. Do we have outliers or not? Missing or not? We have, guys. How many? 20. Married how many? 3. Self-employed how many? 55. If you remember, first I explained without outlier. Second case study I take outlier. Visualizing now. Now this is third case study. I am taking missing values. Bank dot head. ये clear okay guys? Is to see. Now how to replace the data? Okay, which we have in gender. What is the nature of data, guys? Gender is for object means category. Can we compute mean of gender? Median. What is applicable? Can we compute mode? Can I replace missing value with mode? Mean computable नहीं है ना? Median भी नहीं है. What remain? Mode. For married, can we compute mode? Whichever categorical variable we have, we will replace with mode. So let's see first, guys, what is mode over here. In bank, there's a column called married. Give me value counts. Drop any, means do not delete the data of any false. How many yes we have? How many no we have? How many nan we have? Nan means null values. How do we have missing values in Python? Nan in SQL, sorry. Null. SQL में null होता है और यहाँ पे nan. Now we have yes and no. Ignore this missing data for a time being. We have yes. How many number of times yes comes? No. What is mode over here? So these 3 rows will get replaced by yes. Total how much yes will become now? 634. Okay. Guys, I have written a small for loop for you. Anyone found difficult, you can stop me in the middle. Okay. Dataset name? Bank. Okay. If I write in the bank, take a column, call as, let's say, I will be getting data, guys. Ye clear okay? So I pick up only one column. If I write double square, we'll get a column name. Ye clear okay? I say from this column, compute mode. What is mode over here? Me yes चाहिए. I say from the bracket, just give me 0. Oh, so sorry. मैंने डॉट क्यों लगा दिया? डॉट कॉलम्स के लिए होता है ना? 0 is an error. Am I getting yes now? I just need only yes as an answer. Clear okay? So nothing like this way. For columns in married, gender, self-employed. I am writing for loop. What is the meaning of for loop, guys? Iteration. मतलब first variable कौन सा pick up होगा? Married. This married will come over here. Agree? Now, if you keep the married over here, this code and this code are same. Answer क्या होगा? Yes. Bank, go to married columns and fill any. Means wherever there is a missing data, fill with yes. In place true means replacing same data permanently. ये clear हो गया? The way I replace for married, same way I'll replace for What is the gender mode over here? Male. Self-employed mode over here. Logic clear. As you said, the nan in married are 3 will get replaced by yes. So total yes will be how much? Anything happens to no, guys? Remain same as it is. Clear till now? Shall I? Again, let's check the missing values. Do we have? So can I say we treated all the missing columns in one for loop? Next. Let's check the head of data. This is the data we have. Now, guys, in this data, do we have anywhere a column called tenure? Do we have anywhere tenure group? सिर्फ tenure है, सब group नहीं है. So what I'm doing for my sake. I want to do analysis. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, I'm making a new column called as tenure group. It is opinion, guys. If you want to make, you can make. Don't want, you're allowed. I'm doing for a business point of view. In def means function name, parameter name, the bank and the column name tenure. If the value is less than 6, give me answer as. If the value is between 7 and 12, give me answer as 7 and 12. If the value is between 13 and 14, give me as 13 and 14. ये clear हो गया function, guys? Want me to repeat anyone? How many levels we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm using lambda. On bank data, I want to apply. Okay, lambda. This bank will be written as x. Tenure lab is a function I'm applying on x. What is x for me? Bank. Axis 1 means column wise. So apply the function column wise and save in bank data and make a new column called tenure group. You see, guys, we have made tenure group now. 43 comes in which range? We make a bucket of, let me draw for you, 0 to 6, 7 to 12, 12 to 24, 25 to 36. You clear okay? So 43 comes where? 13. This one. Do we have same? 10. The point, guys. Yes. Based on tenure, we make new column called tenure group. Logic clear? Okay. Now, why we do this? Do we need tenure group? What is the purpose of making this variable? Now, I'll ask you a logical question. Okay. I expect you to give me a logical answer. Okay. How many people think like this way? People who take loan, guys. Which people take loans? Take a good and bad, it's there. Who takes the loan? People who are needy. Yeah. People who need money, don't have any other option to ask their relatives and so on. They go for loan. Okay. Look, scenario number 1 and scenario number 2. Let's say we have one person called Akash. He is very rich. Due to some circumstances, he wants to apply for loan. He say, give me the loan of 10 lakh rupees. Bank say, okay, I'll give you. Then bank say, when you will return the money? He say, I'll return the money in 6 months. First scenario. Ye clear okay? Let's say we have another person called Sarang. He belongs to a middle class family. He say, give me the loan of 10 lakh rupees. Ye clear ho gaya? Bank say when you will return. He say I'll return in approximate 60 months. According to you, who is a more stable customer in terms of finance? कौन सा customer financially stable है? How do you find? Answer is correct. जब 6 महीने में 10 लाख भर सकता है मतलब पैसे वाला होगा ना. So the bank run on which type of customer? Bank make profit from whom? From Akash or from Sarang? Correct, no? So bank always force you to take loan for more than 1 year. Have you heard something called low cost EMI? They never give for 1 year. They give for 3 to 6 months max. If you need for 1 year, take for loan. Because banks don't want to lose the revenue. So the customer which are most in India, how many? Look like Akash or Sarang. Because of this, we are getting revenue, correct? So need to find in bank, in your group, give me value counts. Okay. How many we have more than 24 months or 12 months? This one, this one, this one, correct? More than 12 months? 267, 266, 259 divided by total. So 80% business come from middle class. And people who are rich are how much? 58 divided by how much percent?
6%.
Round up to 6%. तो ये भी लेना है. They are high rich people, mid rich people. ठीक है, इसको भी ले लेते. तो 20% हो गया ना. अगर 18% गॉन हो गई हो. So can I say 80% of the customer required loan tenure more than 1 year? And these people will give us some more revenue in terms of interest rate. So can I say tomorrow, anyone like Oma, Gayatri apply for the loan, where I'll force him? At least take minimum 1 year, or you can go for 12, 24 months, 36 months. कभी ऐसे सुना है salesman से कौन चाहिए loan पे ले लो, how much you can pay? Someone say I can pay 500 monthly. You will get it, tenure will be 60 months. They never say no to you. They just increase your tenure. So increasing tenure will increase more revenue for a bank. Got the point? Got the importance, guys, why I have done this one, bank tenure group, to understand how much people we have and from where we get a profit. Clear? Write homework number 1. This is out of the syllabus, but we use in business, okay? Pareto principle. Pareto principle. ये पढ़ के आना है. Pareto. Correct. Do you know that? Can you explain me? Correct. So explain example. %20 people give 80% profit. एक बार ये पढ़ो, very useful in business. Pareto principle. मैं लिख देता हूँ. Just you can search in YouTube channel or everywhere. Very useful in business. I use on every weekly basis in my office. I also do and make my colleagues also do. Shall I? Okay. Now guys, here we have many numerical data over here. You can check outliers for each and every one. If present, you have to treat. Can I say I have to teach you how to treat outliers? Want to teach you again same thing? Do we have outlier present? You can check one by one, guys, if you want. Wherever present, guys, you need to treat. Okay, there is no options. Do we have? Let's check applicant income also. Do we have? No. So our data is without outliers. So I treated missing values, but here there is no outliers. Shall I move forward? Yes. Now we know bad rate. Is the meaning of bad rates in our scenario? Customer who are bad customer. Rate means percentage. So from the bank, give me loan status, give me value counts. Means how many are good people and how many are bad people. How many bad we have? Divided by total. How much percent? Here we say that 27% is a bad rate in my data. So this number you have to report to business. It's mandatory. Till you're clear. Next. Same number which I get, I just make that as a plot using plot ly. Same number. So I say PX. PX stand for plot ly. I want to make pie chart. Data set name, bank. Y variable name, loan status. Colors based on loan status. Yes and yes color is, no color is green. Green means go and give the loan. Yes means reject. That's the reason I did the color like black and red and green. So it is your opinion either to manual or you submit this diagram. But this is mandatory in classification. Shall I? Okay. Now guys, we know that 27% of my data are bad customer. Total how many rows we have? How many are bad in this? ये clear हो गया guys? How many are good remains? 7, sorry. ये clear हो गया? This is your total. So now I want to know there are people bad. Mostly which people are bad? Bad customer तो है, लेकिन कौन से customer ज़्यादा bad है? Which group people are mostly bad? From where they are coming? Okay. So I just make a trend analysis optional for you, not mandatory. From the bank, go to column loan status and pick up only customer which are yes. Yes means bad customer. How many number of rows have we have? Can I say I have taken subset? What is the file name? Bank. ऐसी लॉजिक क्लियर हो गया. हमने एक सबसेट बनाया जिसका नाम रखा and this total data set name is logic clear. Now I'm finding, I know that 269 customer are bad. I need to find bad है, लेकिन कौन से group of people are mostly bad? I just make a sunburst chart. ऐसे chart कभी देखा है पहले? From where we have maximum customer, male or female? Male. Within male, which are most bad, graduate or non-graduate? Now guys, if you see the quantity, when I move the bar, can you see total how many male are? 214. Within 21, how many are graduate? How many are your self-employed, means working professionals? Which tenure they mostly look for? 0 to 6 and rural area. So people who come from rural area and apply for the loan for 0 to 6 months and they are graduate. They are working as self-employed? No. When they are working professionals, they are graduate and the person is male. Don't give him loan. ये group of people बहुत लोग bad है. Total how many bad we have? 269. How many male? 149, 135. How many come from rural? 5. Here my data is small. Imagine when you have 10 lakhs. So 5 customers. From tenure 7 to 12 months. Maximum number of customer bad come from which area? Urban area. So अगर कोई urban से loan apply कर रहा हो and he required loan for 7 to 12 months के बीच में, don't give him loan. Because these people are bad people, which I found from my data. Till you clear? If female apply for loans, females are graduated, working in company, okay, and they required loan for 24 or 36 months. Equally distributed, but urban is highest bad. So people who are working in urban area and have this characteristics, don't give him loan. This is called trend analysis. So the report say, male ho, graduate, salaried, less than year. They come from urban area or rural area. If the tenure is less than 1 year, what happens? Don't reject. So जो लोन अप्लाई करेंगे उनको हमको बोलना है कि लोन कितने साल के लेना है? More than 1 year. They can take for 13 months. It's okay for me, but I cannot give him loan less than 1 year. Clear? So there are certain loans where we have like house loan, which go for 15, 20 years, 10 years. You cannot take for 1 year. They'll not give you. If they give you 30, 40 lakhs, they want interest now. अब 30 lakhs को मार्केट में घुमा के 1 लाख इंटरेस्ट भर के पैसे लेके चले जाओगे प्रॉफिट कमा के. This happens. There are many Gujaratis. Okay, that's the reason the bank also have some condition with respect to amount. Gujarati Rishabh. Clear? Clear, guys. This is optional trend analysis, but this gives you an idea. People bad here, agree, but most of the people coming from which group? So tomorrow, anyone behave like same way, I know that my loan will be lost. I cannot give him. Shall I move forward? Next, we have a column called loan ID. Guys, what is the use of loan ID? To identify the customer, a primary key. Anything used in the model? लोन आईडी का एक बीटा नॉट नंबर आएगा तो कुछ का इम्पैक्ट है कुछ? ऐसे कोई रूल है कि लोन आईडी नंबर 2 है तो लोन मिलेगा ही? नहीं. So loan ID will not have any relation of getting loan, so we drop it. Okay. Next, what I have done from the bank, select data type. NP.number means numerical columns. Give me all column name and convert to list. So these are all columns which are numbers. ये clear हो गया? ये numerical columns है ना? This code and this code. We compare, guys. Same hai. So all these column names will be searching bank and assigning in quantitative. We have all quantitative variable. What is the difference between this code and this code? Object means give me all category data. Okay. Your work is done. So what I have done, my main file is bank file. It is shuffled into two parts. I just break. One is your quantitative. Another is your qualitative. Quantity means numbers, quality means category. ये clear हो गया guys? Anybody want me to repeat the code? I'll repeat for him. Can say. Shall I? Okay. Now guys, there is a drawback of machine learning. Machine learning module is sklearn. And we have another one is stats module. So now onwards, we are working only on sklearn forward. All till your syllabus complete. Okay. I just shown you option number 1 and option number 2. Option 2 is better and easy to read. Now sklearn say, I do not read category data. Python does not have a skills of reading category for machine learning. So here we need to convert data into numbers format. Have you done something called label encoder prior? I'm asking you. Dummies concept. Python में नहीं पढ़ा? इस आपने पढ़ा होगा एक बार सोचिए थोड़ा सा. There's a concept called dummies, guys. I'm just giving a brief on that how it works for you. Okay. A small data I've taken. How many number of rows we have? Number of columns? 2. 2 and 4 entries, 2 columns. What is the data type? Object means data is category. ये clear हो गया? Anyone have any question? Please ask. Okay. Now there's a concept called label encoder. What label means? मतलब किसी चीज को labeling करो. And now label encoder works in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? In terms of number example, 0 to 100. Descending means 100 to 0. In terms of alphabets and descending, remember ascending, A to Z. Now think like an index number start from where? For female and for male. Which come first? Index number 0 will be given to female. Wherever there is a female, index number will be 0. And wherever there is a male, index number will be 1. ये clear हो गया? 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Proof हो गया? Second one. Marital status. How many levels we have over here? Which are 3? Single है, married है, divorce. Alphabetical wise, which come first? Index number? 0. So wherever there is a D, I'll mark as 0. Third row, guys. Wherever there is a married, 1, 1. Clear हो गया? Wherever there is single, I'll mark as 2. Why guys I went to 2? Why not over here in 2? Because इसमें 2 level है और marital status में more than 2 levels. Tomorrow you may have qualification, SSC, HSC, PG, UG, PhD. As the number of level increases, the index number also increase. ये clear हो गया? Okay. Now understand the code how it works. From sklearn, I want to do pre-processing. Which function importing? Label import. Dataset name. I want to. Which function? Fit means apply करना. Transform means data को convert करना. But the point is, can I say we converted data from category to numbers? Same code I'm using over here. You can see. What is the data set name? I want to apply. Which function? Fit means apply. Transform means change. Signing in, same data. You can compare with prior. In married, we have no and yes. What should be the coding? The first one, no becomes 0. Do we have 0?
Yes.
And yes will become 1. Okay. The way I done for married, I have done for all variables. Any question in your mind, please ask.
Thank you.
Because machine learning, SQL and package category data read नहीं करता. करना mandatory है.
सर आपने बताया एक्सेस के 20 रेंज में होगा 0 to 19 एनकोड करके हमें ऐसा कोड चाहिए कि वो कौन सा है 0 कौन सा है ये
मैनुअली चेक करो.
मैनुअली का 20 टाइम जाएगा
फ्रीक्वेंसी कंपेयर कर लो ना. What is the main data set? Now, according to you, which is 799? Match okay here. And this is female. This is the way to cross check it. Okay. Or you can remember label encoder works in ascending order. Your queries are no need to cross check now. Alphabetical wise, जो first होगा उसको 0. Clear? Any other question, please ask. This was category. I say we converted from category to numbers. How we converted to numbers? Using label encoder. ये clear हो गया. Now अब ये numbers हो गए. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? ये भी numbers हैं. इन दोनों को combine करेंगे. Which is the function called concat. Ask you many people in the box. PD stand for concat. Qualitative, quantitative. Access one means column wise. Assigning in, final combine. See, your data is ready. ये सारे numbers हैं और ये सारे आपके categories हैं. ये clear हो गया. So now once your data is ready, we go for modeling.
मॉडल दिया था अगर गलती से वो फीडबैक करके नहीं
मतलब हमने जो रिप्लेस किया आप बोल रहे हो रॉन्ग हो गया तो क्या करोगे? 1000 कस्टमर्स में से एक कस्टमर को रॉन्ग होता है, एनीथिंग हैपेंस. If when you get real information, you update your data. We are working in terms of stats per replacement. When data is not available, you cannot call to the customer and ask you what is the gender in a bank. So you just have to replace it. And you cannot say to the person who data entry. What happened in the bank, guys? When you give your data, the person write data entry manually. वो Excel में खुद लिखते हैं. फिर वो फाइल अपलोड होती है आपके SQL सर्वर पे. वहां से आप फेच करके रन करते हो. Are you getting it? Here's a scenario which we have. So now see in bank have Kotak Mahindra Bank have 480 branches. 480 branches means there are many people who do data entry. किसको पकड़ोगे? Second, data entry people have a very less salary. They keep on changing the jobs very fast. अगर मैंने आज एंट्री किया, you taken data after 2 months, I left the job. तो अब मेरे घर तो नहीं आओगे ना? So this scenario may happen. These are common things. Clear. What is the main data set name, guys? Now, I'm explaining data partition. What is the meaning of data partition, guys? How much percent data can taken in train? 70-30 or 80-20, depends on. What is the use of random state? To store on this location. I have taken from final combine, I want to drop loan status, access 1, assign as X, and Y will taken as 1. ये clear हो गया? So guys, you can see your X data is nothing but all X variable, and your Y data is nothing but your loan status. ये clear हो गया? Okay. Now working on logistic one. From scalar, I want to apply linear model. So linear model is a book name. Inside that, linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree regression, random forest regression, boosting regression, K-NN regression, all the regression model will come. There is another book called classification book. Over there also we have many models. I want to import which function? ये clear हो गया? Logistic regression I'm assigning in log, right? Fit means apply on X train and Y train. Assigning answer in output. So our model name is output. You can give any name. What is the equation for logistic case? This is your beta naught. Beta naught is also called as intercept. And these are your coefficients. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, and so on. And these are inbuilt data which is used to run the model. Can you write this equation on pen paper? Equation is lengthy, but can we write? If in future you have only 4 columns, can we write? Yes. Equation writing in your logistic is mandatory when you submit to business. Shall I move forward? Now, guys, what is the output format of logistic regression? So using this equation, so we will get answer in terms of, never say percentage, is probability. We can convert probability into percentage also. Answer percentage में नहीं आता है. ये clear हो गया? So we have just combined X train and Y train to make a train data. Now what I'm trying to do, I have to predict. So there are 2 ways to get answer. First way, theoretical way made by the scientists. Answer will always come in probability. Can you see the function? Proba. Proba means full form is probability. So using train, Give me answer in terms of probability predicted, model name, output, function name, predict, and give answer in terms of for which data? History. Oh, so sorry. Are we getting probability, guys? How to read this one? 36% chance this customer will be a bad customer. How to read this one? 40% chance the customer will be a bad customer. 11% chance that it will be a bad customer. Ye clear ho gaya? So we get answer in terms of probability also, guys. After getting answer in terms of probability, can I say we can convert with this threshold wherever the probability is more than 0.7? Give us answer as 1, otherwise 0. Yes, you don't have to run it, you just have to watch it. Okay. I'll show you how to run. Are we getting now prediction, guys? Probability prediction. What is actual over here, Gayatri? What is actual data? Guys, what is your actual data? Loan status. What is your prediction data? Predicted. We have two things. Can we make confusion matrix? Yes. So this is done as by manually. Now, when you go with the help of software, how software do? Software will break probability into half part. What is? यहाँ पे वो जो ये सारे क्या हो जाएंगे? Bad. And over either side are everyone is. So if you want to go with the help of software conditions, okay. That's the reason this is comment in your code. And here I have written as predicted. Instead of writing predict proba, I just write predict. So predict proba give answer in terms of probability. ये point clear हो गया. And predict function will give you an answer directly 0 or 1. So now your opinion, which one you want to use, you can use either this or this. ये clear हो गया. I am using predict function, guys, to explain it further. Let me make a train again. Okay. From the using model, which is output, I want to predict for which data? X3. In the train, make a new column called predicted. Do we have probability or 1, 0, guys? Got the proof this one done. So predict only give you 1, 0. Is clear okay? Now to make confusion matrix, we required predicted and loan status. Yes. Okay. Okay. ये एक्चुअल है ना, यहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटीज आती थी लेकिन अभी 1 zeros है. हाँ, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. Should I prove that? Let me complete and show you. आप गलत बोल रहे हो. अब बोल रहे यहाँ पे 1 है तो यहाँ पे 0 क्यों आ रहा है? यहाँ पे 1 आना चाहिए ना, मॉडल ने उसको बैड कस्टमर को गुड प्रेडिक्ट किया है. 1 means bad, no? 0 means, can we call this as error? I'll come to your point once I complete this, okay? Okay. Now open your confusion matrix, guys. Open your notes. To make confusion matrix, you require 2 things: actuals and prediction. So from sklearn, I want to do matrix. Which matrix? Confusion matrix. Confusion matrix will create a matrix for you. Okay. From train, take predicted, take load status. This look a matrix for you guys. Now what is TP? 43. What is TN? So TP plus TN divided by total. How much is the accuracy, guys? ये clear हो गया? The model is bad. So the accuracy of the model is 26%. So we say model is good fit. Now we can make a classification report also. On screen, I want to make a classification report for train status and train predicted. This classification report is easy to read, more easy as compared to matrix. How many number of rows we have in train data, guys? Let's check the number of rows in train. कितने rows हैं? We match. How many bad customer we have? 222. Good customer. How I find it they are bad or good? What is the coding of bad and good we have done? Bad 1 and good 0. So जो 1 है वो bad है. कितने counts हैं? जो 0 है वो good है. The number of count is 561. Do the sum of this, guys, you will get same. 784, no? How much is the accuracy? 76%. Accuracy of the model is 76%. So we say model is good fit. Can I say this is manual? ये manual किया ना हमने? This is automate. Okay. Anyone can read the definition of sensitivity, please? Again, आगे भी लिखा है ना कुछ और? Do we have anywhere recall written? Recall लिखा? 1 means where they interact. From here, this row, from column like this way, they intersect at this point. So here we say that accuracy of bad customer capture by the model is 19%, which is your sensitivity. Clear हो गया? Done. Next one. 0 stands for good. You just have to read in recall only, guys, this value. So the accuracy of the model capturing a good customer is, which is your specificity. So always accuracy, sensitivity, specificity. Done, everyone? Okay. Now let's say we have make the model and the accuracy is 76%. Now we make test. What is the last column? Load status. So model will predict for test. In the test, I'm making a new column called predicted. ये clear हो गया guys? Can we check confusion matrix for test data? Yes or no? To check what we required? Perfect. 149 plus 8 divided by how much is accuracy? I'll just make a report for you. So from a matrix, I want to make classification report between actuals and predicted. How many number of rows we have, Tejas? How many bad customer we have? 47. How many good customer? How much is the accuracy of the model? 80%. How much is sensitivity value? Specificity? It is the same thing. You clear okay? Any question, please ask. Now, when you submit to business, what you will submit it? Okay. Guys, if you remember, the important part for the business is this equation, because this equation gives you prediction in terms of probability. Less than 0.5 is called as good. More than 0.5 is called as bad. That is a bifurcation done. I say from the model, give me index name, column name, coefficient. ये clear हो गया? I converted to data frame. T dot data frame. Give me all the coefficient value. Okay. Index has the column names. Column name will be coefficients. I combine these two tables with the help of PD. See, intercept beta naught, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Submit this, your work is done. Okay. Difficult or easy? Look like lengthy. Now let's bifurcate this into the point wise. And you tell it's lengthy or not. Point number 1, what I have done, import data. Point number 2, I'll give you time to write, guys. What we have done, this say. After importing data, we check. EDA check किया, हमने पहले check किया missing values. It was present, we treated it. Agree? Then we check not present, not treated. Then we convert category to which concept I have used? Correct? ये हो गया. This is second steps. Then third major steps. Data partition. Partition के बाद हमने क्या steps किया? Model को build किया. We get beta not beta 1. Then we check its accuracy. हमने predict भी किया ना? Prediction on train. Accuracy on train पे check किया. So we get 76%. So then we get approved test data. टेस्ट डेटा के लिए क्या किया? प्रेडिक्शन। फिर टेस्ट डेटा की क्या चेक करी? एक्यूरेसी। Any other steps I have done out of the box? Tell me. ये look like common steps है ना? These steps which we have done, that is mandatory. Step number 1, data import, we have to do every time. Missing values, outlier, we have to do every time. If you have data category, we have to treat every time. These are mandatory steps. So steps 1 to 3 are mandatory for you. Step 5 to 8 is also mandatory for you. Changes कहाँ पे आएंगे? Model. So every time, guys, I will be teaching you new model. Today we are done with logistic example. Tomorrow we'll start with decision tree. Prior we have done linear regression model. So model keep on changing. The flow chart will remain same. I think we have done something more also called ROC curve. क्या है? Open your book. What is the use of ROC curve, guys? Is to find the best ratio. And what is the threshold now we have taken, guys? मैंने कहा लिखा 0.7. By default is 0.5. By default taken by the software is 0.5. In theory, we have written 0.7. The way to solve with is 0.5. Because हमने यहाँ पे probability ना output में अगर आप देखोगे तो we just have taken 0, 1. ऐसे कुछ बना है हमारा भी ग्राफ. एग्जैक्ट सेम नहीं आएगा गाइस, ये रियलिटी. What is the cutoff coming over here? और आपको ना मैन्युअली ड्रॉ करनी होगी लाइन. सॉफ्टवेयर आपके ड्रॉ करके नहीं होगा. कॉपी इमेज, पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर. What would come 0.65 approximate. So this threshold you can decide for yourself. So this is manual. ROC is always manual. Clear? Guys, this code I have not explained you now. I'll take any question, please ask. Easy है या बहुत difficult है guys? थोड़ा सा lengthy. Now imagine you will receive a data where you have to treat missing values. Yes. You have to treat project from category to you have to do for every case study. These are the common steps which we do. अभी एक वेरिएबल में आउटलायर है तो ट्रीट करना इजी है. 10 variables है तो how much the code become lengthy? To shortcut write for loop. You can write for loop which can do the treatment of outliers. Okay, come to stats. If we have outliers, guys, what happened to central tendency? How many points we have in central tendency? Mean. You have missing values present in your data or data gender. Means यहाँ पे लिखा है male, female and blank है. फिर male है, फिर blank है, फिर female है. Can we compute mean of this? Median, mode. So category को replace करोगे. If you have 24 blank, 28, 30 blank, 48, 58. Age have outlier also. So which you will replace it? Median. If no outlier, then mean. ये clear हो गया? Can I say we are using stats to make data? So outlier present replaced with mean. Sorry, median. Outlier no replaced with mean. Data has to be numbers. Your data has to be category. Can you write a for loop? If data type is equal to gender, missing present replaced by mode, first condition. Else, if data is integer or float, outlier and replaced with second condition. If outlier is not replaced with mean. ऐसा एक for loop लिख के लाना है. So this will help us to understand you how we utilize stats in machine learning. Any question, please ask. Any question from your side, guys?
अगर न्यूमरिक जो दो मोड है तो हम सबसे छोटा वाला नंबर है वो मोड लेते हैं पर कैटेगरी डेटा में कितने
अल्फाबेटिकल वाइज.
ओके
वो भी असेंडिंग ही है ना?
हां
वो भी असेंडिंग है. ऑप्शनल है. हाँ, इसने आपको उसी कोड नहीं समझा है ये स्टेज पे कि वो ऑप्शनल है. अब बिकॉज वो मैनुअल है ना, आपको डिसाइड करना. ठीक है. सो गाइस, डू नॉट फॉरगेट इन पाइथन. पाइथन में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? मशीन लर्निंग. विच टॉपिक? लॉजिस्टिक. यूजिंग विच पैकेज? और scikit-learn. ये पैकेज में दो फंक्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. एक फंक्शन का नाम है predict proba, which give you probability. You decide threshold manually. Second function is predict. This function gives answer in terms 0, 1, and the threshold taken by the software is 0.5. This is taken by the software. Backend में probability ही है और probability को convert किया है 0, 1 में. So now it is your opinion which one you want to use it. I am comfortable with both. Anyone have doubt in this flow chart, guys? Yes. Always keep a habit of making flow chart. Things become more simple and easy for to understand. यहाँ से ये topic जा रहा है. We call in business call fishbone chart. You can call hierarchy chart for yourself. Okay. Minutes break. Come at 106. मिनट्स हो जाएंगे ना तो फिर नहीं 4 मिनट बाकी है. I'll evaluate based on my time. Guys, Okay, if Utkarsh ma'am coming for discussion, I'll not teach you because she will take half an hour, and within 15 minutes I can't teach a new topic. Okay. Meanwhile, download this data, import in Python, see the data. Have any doubts? Ask me. Data belongs to the people who live in US. I have given subset data of original data. I have the original data. For I'm not given the entire part, I've given subpart. This data is approximate 30,000 something. Yes. Submitting to the business will be okay. I'll ask you something, give me logical answer. Okay. Let's say your name Tejas. Tejas is a scientist. Okay. Example. Reality can be possible. Okay. He make one device. Okay. उसने एक phone बनाया पहली बार world में. Now this phone he want to sell to the people. Every time he'll make new phone for new customer. और इसी phone का production करना होगा. So can I say this phone is a benchmark? Whichever combination I've used to make this phone, same combination I'll use in production, guys. So can I say production should follow benchmark? ये mandatory है. Logic clear? Now let's say we have one person. We say Gayatri. Gayatri make model. Okay. Beta 1 and so on. He will create for every customer again and again or create one time. ये क्लियर हो गया. अभी हमें ये यूज करके क्या करना होता है? Prediction. So can I call this our benchmark? And every prediction for every customer have to follow this benchmark. Believe like this way, you are in the month of November. You have to predict for December. You have to compare with the model. The work is done. For example, if you have taken a data from January till October to make model, you test model on November data. ये क्लियर हो गया. अब मॉडल क्यों बनाया? ताकि हम फ्यूचर के लिए प्रिडिक्ट करें. व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर मंथ? December. So December month output you will compare with which one? November or model? तो बिजनेस को क्या सबमिट करोगे? मॉडल और मॉडल की एक्यूरेसी. कि सेम एक्यूरेसी फ्यूचर में भी सेम रिपीट होगा. Got the answer? Okay. So online students, guys, screen, and I'm just solving a doubt of one person, nothing else. Okay. Suggestion, guys, what you can do, download this file, go to the logistic folder, go to practice folder. Inside that, you have a data set called practice, student practice. I've given the name. This data set belongs to the US, where people who receive high salary or very good salary, they can survive in the US. Otherwise, they will not. You have to predict what is the chance we will survive if we go to US. So can I say we have 1-0, good and bad? ये clear हो गया. Can I call this all or X? Can you import data? Point number one, check missing values, check outliers, and do label encoder. Just do three steps for today. Do now. I'll repeat for you. Guys, do you want me to teach data import? First, import data. Second step, perform EDA. In EDA, missing values, outliers, and label encoder. I'll pick up any random person to explain me the code also and the output also. You have 15 minutes. Start solving. Online students, guys, have you done till these steps? I'm repeating, you just have to import data, check missing values, outlier and label. Once you're done till here, just update me. I just want to cross check how you're able to read this. Is available on drive for you inside logistic folder. How many are done, guys? Time up. Okay. How many have done till label encoder? Till label encoder. 1, 2, 3, 4. ऋषभ आपको समझा? Can you explain what is label encoder? Wrong answer. तेजस कैसे पढ़ा रहे हो? आपने समझा ना उसको? अभी मैंने समझा, उसको नहीं समझा? हाँ, और एक बार समझा उसको. गायत्री, sorry, Priyanka. How it's converted? Yes. Ascending order. Guys, the method which you have used to treat outlier is Vensurizing technique. You can replace outlier by mean also, median also, mode also, depends upon the data nature. If a data is outlier, can we replace with mean? Can we replace outlier with mean? Why not? Mean ही accurate नहीं होगा तो replacement ही accurate नहीं होगा. So can I replace with median? You can replace with median also. So don't need to write the lengthy code of answer, I think. Okay. How many have not done properly till missing values? Not done till missing values, anyone? Code तो लिखा है ना, वो question है. Code. Okay. How many have don't know how to find outliers, not done till here? I'm asking finding outliers, not treatment. Treatment done for anyone? Okay, दो बाकी है. ठीक है, एक ही करना था. तीन है लेकिन टेम्परेरी के लिए करना है. Okay. Now guys, stop. It's okay. You can do later at your home. You can submit. Okay. Before coming tomorrow. The question for you is the steps which we are performing. Okay. Now look like able to understandable for you also. You do one data. Repeat thing like this way. Same concept, same thing we're repeating 10 times in the class. Sufficient for you. ये जो steps है ना, will repeat 10 different algorithms. Only model will change. Yes, everything will remain same. Clear. So guys, done from my side for you. Okay. Make sure you. Yes, we can use that also, the summary report to check outliers. Done for you, suggestion, solve logistic on that data and come by tomorrow. Okay, done for the day. You can leave. And ma'am will come tomorrow. Don't be absent tomorrow, guys. I'm not saying in terms of discussion. Tomorrow is a very important topic for machine learning. A decision tree. Okay. Don't be absent. Thank you.